There is a saying that health is wealth. So if you're saying na mahal si keto, yes, mahal si keto. But personally, I would rather spend on quality food that, has less preservatives, more organic, than, buying medicine or maintenance medicine for your health. Personally nga, like I said, mas gusto kong gagastos na lang ako sa pagkain na puro and good for me kesa ibili ko ng gamot na magpapagaling sa akin kasi prevention is always the key. I chose the fathead dough in doing the Keto Italian bakes because as per my research and development, when the people that I sent the samples to tasted the recipes, they preferred the one that uses the fathead dough. I think basically because it's more bread-like, the mouthfeel is better, it's like real bread. So I decided to just use one simple recipe that's easy to follow and tastes good as well. Would you believe fathead dough became famous from a US documentary in 2009, which featured a comedian whose goal was to refute the other documentary, Super Size Me. It is basically composed of 5 ingredients. So you have your mozzarella cheese, which is shredded, your cream cheese, your almond flour, your egg, and salt. So from those 5 ingredients, you can already make a dough that somehow mimics the bread-like texture. It's very easy to prepare. Like I said, it only takes you 5 ingredients. It's quick. You just heat everything and mix everything up, and you already have your dough, which can be your base for a lot of other bakes, not just Italian bakes. The ingredients are very easy to find. So you can actually find all of these in your regular groceries. The almond flour is also already, I think, available even in your regular groceries, and you have special suppliers available in other online stores that you can purchase it from. Join me as I teach you this Keto Italian bakes only here at the Bailiwick Academy.